Hi folks, Milan Navita here, Deputy Director of Planning, giving you a recap of the December 12th Board of Zoning Adjustments hearing on two items. The first is UPC 170034 on Wood Road. This is a cannabis project proposing mixed-like cannabis cultivation. It's in the Santa Rosa Plains Conservation Strategy, and staff ultimately provided a recommendation to the board for denying the project. Because primarily we could not see a permit pathway forward for the project with the federal agencies. Being in the Santa Rosa Plains, we have California tiger salamander, a protected species that could be on the project site, and staff felt that because of those potential impacts, a permit was required through the federal agencies in order to allow the project to move forward. But unfortunately at this time, the federal agencies are not willing to consult or permit on projects involving cannabis. And so without that path forward, staff could not support the project as proposed in that location. So we recommended that the board deny that project on those grounds because of the potential impacts and the need for a take permit through the federal agencies, and the board accepted that recommendation and denied the project at the hearing. The second project is UPC 170089 on St. Helena Road, 7955 St. Helena Road. Another cannabis use permit project in the mountains off of St. Helena Road. Staff had different challenges with being able to approve this project, and ultimately it was also put forward for denial. The challenges with this one were threefold. The first is the ability to provide enough water for the cultivation that was being provided. The second was the significant wildfire risk that staff was able to identify, and the third is just the incompatibility with the nature of the zoning district. This is a resources and rural residential development kind of zoning district, and all of the necessary improvements that would be needed to make the project work from a water and fire and other perspectives would have involved significant resource impacts. And so for those three reasons, staff again put forward a recommendation for denial that the board upheld, and ultimately the project was denied by the board.